my screen sharing. So basically, Wikidata is a huge knowledge base. What it is, Wikidata, it's collaborative. Anybody can go and do modification. The licensing, it's CC0, so you can use that to do anything you'd like. That doesn't break other laws, of course. And it's also multi-language. So factual statements are stored by storing item, a property that links to a value, which is a statement. Benefits of Wikidata. Wikipedia has several, an article in several languages for an item, so you can link it with Wikidata. You have pictures in Wikicommon that you can use you can link with your Wikidata. And of course, Wikidata is the structured database. A Wikidata item, like I showed you, is basically the title above, the header of the page, contains like the name, the labels, the description, and the aliases. It's a Wikidata item is a collection of statements. Some statements are particular statement about links to external system. And of course, Wikidata items have link to other related page in other projects.